Hey guys, Emmy here. I'm gonna be introducing my meme, the Hiccup meme, and yeah, um, I'm gonna be. I tried to make an animation about it, but it looks really weird, and I'm not done. And also, this is my first time ever animating, so yeah. I'm just introducing it. I'm not done. Hold on. It's open. It was open.
Oh, right.
Yep. Okay. Sorry, back to the thing. Sorry about that. No. Okay. Hold up. Go. Okay. So let's get this started. What? Oh, come on. Is my... Are you serious? Stop it. Pause it. Why can't it pause? There. No, it's just going terribly. Okay, I have to press this. I have to go back. Now, I'll go flip a clip. And clip, so yeah. Let's do this. And also, this is a work in progress, so yeah. No! Wasn't done. Okay, let me show you guys that again, because I've been really interrupted. Okay, so let's do this again. Okay. And then flip a clip. Go back to the first scene. And I'm going to try to do this. Okay, good. That actually was smoothing. I like the, yeah, okay, after I do that. Yeah, I like that part. So I'm gonna have to work on this. Yeah, okay. Hold on, I'm gonna try to do the, I memorized all the dance moves. Hold on, I need to try to remember, hold up. Okay, I remember she's supposed to be touching her face. Okay. She's supposed to be like touching her face. And I'm too lazy to do fingers. They're probably going to put this on the top 10 most cringiest videos. I can expect it because just now I was watching really cringy videos, right? And then they put this, it wasn't that nice, but it was better than anything I could do. So I was like, boy, imagine what they'll say about me. Just saying, but I'm new to animating. I've never animated anything before in my life. Like, so I'm new to this, so don't judge me. Because if you do, I'll know what I'll do. But just please, I'm begging you, don't judge me. Or else I'll cry myself to sleep every single night saying that nobody loves me. Do you really want that to happen? No, you don't. Okay. Ugh. I suck on animating this. Okay, so after, oops. And also, I'm drawing this with my finger, and my screen is cracked. So my finger is going through a lot of paint here. Not my fault. I want to make this like a 3-minute video, but oh, whatever. It's just a video of me finishing up the animation. I'm too lazy to do it properly. I don't want to. Okay. So, okay, so that's the beginning, and then you march, and after get harder, and then the whistling thingamabobber. Where is it? I don't know. I don't care. And yeah, the whistle bobber thing part. You know, the do do do. Okay, finally. This part is gonna be pretty challenging. If you guys don't know, like me before, I recently started knowing how to how do I say it? Like, cut or something, like, not trace. I don't know how to say it. This thing. Yeah, if you don't know how to do it, you take this tool, that little bubbly thing, and circle the thing you want to, like, copy. Like that. And then if you want to copy it, you press that little, the thing that looks like 2 pieces of paper. Then after, you go to your clip, and you press that thing that looks like a piece of paper on some kind of clipboard. And then see? Bow. Okay, now I'm going to have to put it in the same place. Good. Now. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, no, I have a perfect idea. First, I'm going to take that, and I'm going to do that. Yeah, I want that. I want this. I have the, like, most perfect idea. Mainly because I'm too lazy to draw anything else. Okay. There. Now I'm going to have to draw, like, different clothes on her. I've seen her name, Lil Miss Gamer, I think. Do that. And I don't know if that's a proper meme, but I do it anyways. So I'm going to erase all this. I'm going to draw a really nice dress. Okay. And then I'm going to erase. It's going to be like, it should look like, no, that's ugly. I'm going to draw ugly. I can't fool anybody. I just wanted to be like, memers. For all them people who makes the memes in the world, God bless you. Lol. Okay. So now I have to figure out how to, I should wait. I have to figure out how to do the clothes. Could you guys get out for a second? Could you guys go, please? For a minute. I know, but just for a second. And then, ugh, that looks terrible. I'm too lazy to do anything else. Mainly because it's in the middle of the night, like 10 o'clock. And my bones, they just don't feel like moving. They don't feel like moving. Okay. I'll tell you after. Okay, see? Then I do that. And then I do that. And then perfecto. Something what 2 people would say. 9 minutes. Okay, that's pretty good. 10 minutes to be exact. Now I'm gonna use this dress to put something else. And no, Don't you dare think it's me. Because if you do, I don't even know. I'm just disgusted. Because I had to, I'm not gonna lie. I don't look like that. I look nothing like this. I wish. I'm just some kind of huge chunk of flesh and stuff. The guy said anything. Put your right foot in and take your right foot out and put your right foot in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokeys and you says it all's about. That's why it all up. Ugh, that looks really retarded. I'm not doing anything else. I don't want to. And not for the fact I'm lazy. I don't have any good styles. In other words, I'm not good at drawing phones. Don't judge me. But I have a good style for this one. How am I supposed to do it like this? Okay, there. Then that, and then that. Okay. Do. Okay. Do. Okay. Okay. I need this song. Got to lower the volume. Make an animation, they said. It'll be easy, they said. If this is easy, okay. I had to go different. And then... Oops. No! I have to restart. Did you see that tantrum? I was like, dang it. Okay, oh no, I have to hurry. Dang it. Okay, so that's all for this video. And, I can't even say I hope you like this video. Okay, bye. Okay, Aisha, yeah? How do I stop this? Wait a minute, this video's not stopping!